We will try, we have already now ensured full protection for our minorities. We have, I won't go into detail, but there's one element where we still have a problem. But what we have done, no government has done before. And I'll give you an example that there was this case of Bibi. She was this Christian woman who was jailed, and no judge would try them because of blasphemy, and because of the strength of one particular group, which had the previous government was held hostage by the group. They came in and they literally blocked the roads, and people were scared of that group. So when the judgment was given to free her by the Supreme Court, the same group then threatened. They came out on the streets. They were rioting for 2 days, and the stage was held hostage for 2 days. But this is the first government that, on the next opportune moment, actually took them out. We put them in jails. We just completely. And Bibi was then safely, she came out, and then she wanted to leave the country, and we helped her. So all I'm saying is that this government you will see that it will treat its minorities as equal citizens.